New way to make breakfast. Easy and delicious recipe. For this recipe, I'll start by placing one sausage on top of 2 barbecue sticks and cut the sausage that way. Then, I'm going to cut the sausage in half. I'm going to stick one toothpick in one end and join it with the other end. And that's it. After that, I'm going to separate 5 egg whites from 5 yolks. To continue, I'm going to put a little bit of oil in a frying pan and grease it well. Then I'm going to add the slices of sausage and put the egg yolks one by one on top of the sausages. And for seasoning, I'll add a little salt. Cover it and let it cook for 7 minutes. When the yolks are cooked, I'll turn them over to fry the other side. Tell me how you usually make breakfast in your house. I'd love to know your recipe. To continue, I'm going to mix the remaining 5 egg whites with the whisk. Don't forget to make this recipe in your house and tell me how it turned out. I'd love to know. After that, I'm going to add the egg whites inside the pan where the sausages were and spread them. And I'm going to put on top green smell to taste, tomato slices, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and some grated mozzarella cheese. Guys, our recipes are only sent to those who interact, so leave a like and tell me the city where you watch us from so I can send you a special hug. When the egg whites are cooked, I'm going to close them like this. And our breakfast is ready. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!